Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Gramma in a Box unboxing for September. They're having a fall sale. Save 20% on 3, 6, or 12-month options. Fall 20 at checkout. So this month's box is September back to school treats. Tells you all the contents in the box. The first project, apple for the teacher. Second is back to school cookies. Very cool. And then all the social media websites. So let's take a look here. We have the icing. Ooh, looks like it might have maybe melted one of them a little bit. Then we have sprinkles. Little leaf petals. Tootsie Roll. Some pretzels. Melting chocolates. And then we have some ABC cookies. Apples. A little, was that supposed to be a bell? Maybe? And then a little pencil. Oh, a school bus. Oh, geez. I was holding it like that. School bus. And then she's been throwing little goodies in there, so I'm guessing that's what the Tootsie Roll and the crayons are for. And then you do get a piece of parchment paper to put your projects on, and I will insert the footage so you can see how our treats turned out. So the Tootsie Rolls were not extra goodies. It's actually for the first project. You are supposed to cut each Tootsie Roll into 4 pieces, and that's the stem of the apple. Then I also melted the chocolate. And you dip the pretzel in there, use a fork to kind of cover it and shake off the extra chocolate. And then you can lay it down on the parchment paper and add a leaf and a stem. And then you can add sprinkles to those if you want. And then Raylan did her usual where she dumps all the icing on a single cookie or 2. So I was trying to help her out, show her that you can spread it out and then decorate it. They went light on the sprinkles though. They normally don't, but this time they did. Then Jackson had the white and the red icing, and Raylan had the blue and the yellow. So I like that there's 4 now, so they can easily divide it amongst themselves. And here's one of our apples when it dried, and a couple of the cookies. Super cute and always a really fun subscription box. If you guys are interested, I have all their information below, and make sure you check them out. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.